Hey there, Disney Tim Time fan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm buzzing with excitement because we're diving into the magical world of Disney attractions with a twist of adventure and a sprinkle of nostalgia. Grab your Mickey ears and get ready for a ride you won't forget.
Please stand clear of the door.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Express Monorail.
All right, let's kick things off with a trip down memory lane, shall we? Splash Mountain, the iconic ride that's been making a splash since 1989. But for me, it's more than just a ride. It's a journey back to my childhood, filled with laughter, excitement, and a whole lot of zippity-doo-dah. That song holds a special place in Disney fans' heart because we often hear it or heard it during the magical world of Disney and its many iterations on Sunday nights. I know that as a child I saw the movie, but I really cannot say that I remember much from that movie. But once I got to ride the attraction, the songs and the characters all came back to me. Picture this, sailing through the briar patch, the sun on your face and the wind in your hair. Okay, well back then I did have hair, I promise you. But riding along as you join Brer Rabbit and his daring adventure. And who could forget the grand finale with Brer Bear and Brer Fox? It's moments like these that make Splash Mountain truly unforgettable. This ride was brand new when I started working on the Disney College program. That was new along with a whole slew of new attractions, parks, hotels, and more. But we can talk about that more at another time. Splash Mountain was an instant success, becoming one of the most beloved rides to date. But as much as I love Splash Mountain, change is inevitable, right? And Disney dropped some big news a few years ago. Splash Mountain is getting a makeover. But fear not, because what's coming next is sure to be just as magical. Now, I know there are many fans out there that mourn over the loss of this original ride. And the ride holds a special place in all of our hearts. And I think this attraction is the one that really places Imagineer Tony Baxter in the Hall of Fame of Imagineers. Now, Tony Baxter is a legendary figure in the world of Disney Imagineering. And his contributions to the creation of Splash Mountain are nothing short of iconic. In the mid-1980s, Disney was exploring the idea of creating a new attraction that would be both thrilling and family-friendly, inspired by the characters and stories from the 1946 film Song of the South. Tony Baxter, who had already made a name for himself with projects like Big Thunder Mountain Railroad and Journey into Imagination, was tapped to lead this development of this ambitious new ride. Drawing inspiration from the film's memorable characters like Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, and Brer Bear, Baxter and his team set out to create an immersive experience that would transport guests into the heart of the story. They envisioned a log flume that would take guests on a thrilling adventure through the Bayou, complete with twists and turns and heart-pounding drops. One of the most significant challenges Baxter faced was finding the perfect balance between the whimsical charm of the film and the thrill of a Disney theme park attraction. He wanted Splash Mountain to appeal to guests of all ages while staying true to the spirit of the source material. And after years of meticulous planning, designing, and engineering, Splash Mountain finally made its debut at Disneyland in 1989, followed by openings at Walt Disney World and Tokyo Disneyland. The ride quickly became a beloved classic, captivating millions of guests with its enchanting scenes, catchy music, and innovative animatronics. Tony Baxter's vision and creative genius were instrumental in the success of Splash Mountain, solidifying his reputation as one of Disney's most influential Imagineers. His ability to blend storytelling, technology, and imagination continues to inspire theme park designers and enthusiasts around the world. But as Disney famously said, that Disneyland will never be completed. It will continue to grow as long as there is imagination left in the world. So get ready to swap your log flume for a Bayou boat. Well, actually, they're using the same boats. Because Tiana's Bayou adventure is about to take us on a journey like no other. Inspired by the heartwarming tale of the Princess and the Frog, this new attraction promises to immerse us in the vibrant world of Princess Tiana and her friends. Now let's dream a little, shall we? Imagine stepping into Mama Odie's mystical swamp, where every twist and turn brings us face to face with the wonders of New Orleans. From cooking up a storm with Tiana herself, to jamming with Louis the Gator, there's no shortage of adventures waiting for us. Okay, folks, brace yourselves because things are about to get seriously impressive. Disney is pulling out all the stops with their latest animatronics, and let me tell you, they are mind-blowing. Just look at the way these characters move and emote. It's like they jump straight out of the screen and into our world. In the upcoming Tiana's Bayou adventure, guests can expect to encounter a lively cast of characters straight out of the beloved film, The Princess and the Frog. And here are some of the characters that are likely to make appearance in the ride. First, there's Princess Tiana, of course. As the star of the film and the heart of the story, Princess Tiana is sure to play a prominent role in the ride. Guests will likely join her on a magical journey through the bayous as she pursues her own dreams of opening her own restaurant. And then there's Prince Naveen. Tiana's charming prince is bound to make an appearance, bringing his trademark wit and charisma to the adventure. Perhaps guests will encounter him in his frog form, adding an extra layer of fun and excitement to the experience. And then there's Louis the alligator. This trumpet-playing gator is sure to bring the music and energy of New Orleans to the ride. Guests may find themselves jamming along with Louis as he serenades them with jazzy tunes amidst the bayou scenery. And then there's Ray the Firefly. Ray's endearing personality and heartfelt devotion to Princess Tiana are sure to shine through in Tiana's Bayou adventure. Guests may encounter Ray flying through the swamp, spreading his warm glow and southern charm. And who could forget Mama Odie? As the wise and quirky voodoo priestess, Mama Odie is bound to make a memorable impression on guests. They may seek her guidance and wisdom as they navigate the challenges of the bayou, encountering her enchanting spells and mystical insights along the way. And Dr. Facilier, no adventure in the bayou would be complete without a run-in with this sinister character. Guests may find themselves face to face with this shadowy villain as he tries to thwart Princess Tiana's dreams and cast his dark magic over the swamp. These are just a few of the characters that guests can expect to encounter in Tiana's Bayou adventure. There are going to be a whole host of new critters waiting in the bayou to thrill and entertain us. With its immersive storytelling and vibrant world building, the ride is sure to capture the spirit and magic of The Princess and the Frog in an unforgettable way. I think Disney knows they have to hit a home run with replacing a beloved attraction. And for what I'm seeing, this looks to be an amazing attraction that we will have years and years to enjoy. The leap in technology since 1989 is going to allow them to bring the story of Princess and the Frog to life in ways that, well, we can't even imagine. And just when will we get the chance to ride down to the bayou and see Tiana and her friends? Well, Disney has an opening time frame of this summer, so it could happen anytime soon. The cast previews could start soon, but my guess is that by July or August, this ride should be open. So there you have it, folks. The future of Splash Mountain is looking brighter than ever with Tiana's Bayou's adventure on the horizon. As for me, I couldn't be more excited to see how Disney brings the magic of The Princess and the Frog to life in this enchanting new attraction. But hey, enough about me. What are you most looking forward to? Let me know down in the comments below. And thanks for joining me on this wild ride, everyone. If you love this video as much as I loved making it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Disney adventures. And remember, no matter how old we get, there's always room for a little magic. See you real soon.